Alright guys, just for the record, this is the one that came back to me. The configuration on it, if you can go back to the other video, is completely different. So the green, the red, and the black are connected differently in this. Here there is connected properly, this is connected properly. It's completely soldered in a different way, so maybe it's better than the other one, I don't know. But it's still giving me the HE error signal like the other one was, and I am not getting a whole lot of heat coming through this thing. Again, children and anyone else, please don't do the things that I do. Okay, you don't want to be testing this out the way that I'm testing it out myself. Should this actually get hot, which it's not hot at all, it could easily burn you. It could easily burn you.
Likey